Today I'm starting with some wood clothespins. I get a pack of 36 from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 2 packs. I'm going to leave them clipped to the cardboard that they come on. And starting with my Dijon Wise Owl paint, I'm going to paint the first pack with the chalk synthesis paint. Now when you're painting with them clipped to the cardboard, I'm basically just getting the fronts, the inner clip, and partially some of the sides. I'm not looking for complete full coverage. Then I'm going to take my black cherry, and I'm going to paint the second pack of 36. Now there are many different ways that you can color these. We have used the Ritz dye in the past. I do find it a little easier just to paint them while they are clipped to the cardboard. I'm going to allow all of those to dry. And I have a 12-inch Wreath Form that I also picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to start with my yellow clothespin. I'm going to clip it on the inner 2 rings of the Wreath Form, and then I'm going to take the black cherry and clip it on the 2 center rings of the ring form. And I'm going to rotate them with that exact pattern around the entire Wreath Form. Now I've made these clothespin wreaths before, but I really liked this pattern and how it made the clothespin lay. Before I started, I figured I would need about 61 clothespins. That's why I did the 2 packs of 36, and I did have 10 left over. And once I had it completed around the entire wreath form, this is what we have. I have a piece of wood and a little wooden sign that says Hello Autumn. I got this in a pack of words from the Dollar Tree. And I'm painting that with the black cherry, and then I'm just painting the flat piece of wood with the Dijon. And I'm going to allow that to fully dry. You could pick any color of your choice. There are many different designs you could make with these really easy clothespin wreaths. I have a circular chicken wire frame that I grabbed from Target. I believe last year. I haven't seen them recently, but you can just use a regular piece of chicken wire that you get from the craft section, and I'm using some green floral wire to attach it to the back side. And then I'm going to flip it back over, and I just like the look of the chicken wire in the background. I'm going to attach my Hello Autumn to the piece of wood with a little bit of hot glue. And then I'm going to use some E6000 to attach the wood Hello Autumn sign to the chicken wire. And you need this to set and dry overnight. Now I'm just going to decorate the clothespin wreath with some artificial greenery. I'm going to attach these leaves with some floral wire so that it's one piece, and I'm just wrapping that around. And I like anything that has the wire inside because you can kind of bend it to shape the wreath form. I got this little garden decor. It's a flower and it just sticks in the ground. I'm going to cut the flower off. Now you can use any flower of your choice. I just like to sometimes dig through the stash of stuff I do have, and this was something that I thought matched. So I'm going to attach the greenery with some floral wire to the bottom of my wreath. And then I'm going to take the flower and just glue it in the center here. And I'm using some E6000. And it just laid nicely in between the clothespins. And then I'm just going to allow that to fully dry. And there we go. Now we just have this Hello Autumn clothespin wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.